Get it. Did that go? Did it get a hit?
Yeah, it was it. It was just tap, tap, tap.
All right, keep it there. Someone will whack it. Probably a big old cat. Why are you reeling like we? Oh, it's the other hand. Can't switch it off? Catfish will grab it and just hold it. How you guys doing? Good? Good.
All right, gentlemen. Take it easy. All right, now.
I think something's on it. Something on it? Set the hook. Set the hook. Pull up. Yeah? There you go, Justin. Get him. Is my flashing? Am I flashing? Is this flashing? Look at my.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get him, Justin. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Real all retarded. Yeah, baby. Justin's got a big fish, and I like it because he does got one. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Get him, Justin. Oh. Yeah, baby. It's a caddy. Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's a big old cat. It's definitely flashing now? Yeah. Yes, 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 yes. Big old caddy. Dude, look at that.
Got a catfish. It's funny. I was real. He must have swam with it. Because he was all the way over there, and I was like, my line's on tight. But then I reeled up a little bit and I felt it. Big small catfish.
Give me those grippers and
Where are they here? What, you want grippers or you want where they at?
still want to get the spine.
Good, more there.
I got him.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's a big old fat catfish. Look at that belly.
Look at that.
My fiance hold it up. You take a picture.
Nah. Yeah, it's a channel. That's a channel cat. Yeah.
I'm not eating that thing. I'm about to go like the grill. Let me have that.
You want it?
Go for it. It looks like it's pregnant. Or that's just fat like that.
No, no, they're not. It's probably just fat. They start spawning next month.
Okay.
My grippers are in here.
I get it. The front of this mouth.
Yeah. Oh.
Wow. All right, gentlemen.
Awesome.
I have more luck.
Here, open that. My grippers are in here, so I know I'm gonna get spine in there. Should be white grippers. Yeah. Yes, dude. No, don't spine me. Don't spine me.
It's a big fish.
Hell yeah. You wanna hold it? I'll get a picture of you.
I'll take a picture of you. I mean, it's your fish. That's real in.
No, it's your fish. You got it. I walked away. Needle nose are in there.
Needle nose in here?
Yeah.
You need help?
There you go. Got it?
It's a big fish.
Wanna hold him?
I'll take a picture of
Take
you.
one more picture.
It's a cool backdrop.
Oh, it's still recording too.
1, 2.
You don't want one with the you don't want a picture?
No.
Alright. Good release on this guy. Hell yeah, Justin. Come on. There you go. There you go. Oh shit.
Alright.
Yeah. All right, this is the spot.
Yeah, dude. Good job, man.
You called them?
Sure fish.
Sure fish. Was a rod just fucking?
Yeah, like, so he came by, he's like, anything? I'm like, no, no. I look back at your pole and it's going tap, tap, tap,
Yeah.
tap. And obviously it swam with it, so
Yeah.
it made sense.
I threw that freaking other fish away.
What other fish?
The other fillet I had, or the other. Sweet, dude.
Something, dude.
Hell, yizzle. Justin.
Justin's good. He likes me down by the bay.
Justin got.
What you say?
I'm happy you caught it. I'm happy you caught him. You caught it. Well, next one I'm reeling in. Thanks for throwing my pursuit on the ground, getting all scratched. And this is deep, dude. It's awesome.
What do you say?
Booties.
Daddy's gay. He's here to stay.
Yo, send me those pictures. I'll post them up because my buddy's like, let me see. Catch anything. Justin's got the power. Yeah. Stuff. I don't know. Just making up words. You know what I'll do? I'll do this. Justin. Yeah, Justin. Word. It looks so fat. Ugh. Alright, Freddy fishing out.